Now in this video, let's talk about what is or how you can change the system language on your Samsung phone. Let's get into it. So at first you need to locate your settings app. So it's like this gear icon looking thing. So click on it to get inside. And essentially you want to scroll down a bit on the main section until you find the general management. It is a bit more towards the bottom, so perhaps you need to scroll a little bit, but this is what it looks like, and just tap on it. And at first we have the language option. So as you can see, we have the list of languages. For me, it's only one, it's English, but I can click on a plus and add the language. So let's say I'm gonna pick the Spanish, right? And it gives me the option if I actually want to set the language of my entire phone to the Spanish right now, or just add it to the list. So I'm gonna click on keep current, meaning that it's gonna stay in English, but it's just gonna add the Spanish to my list, right? So Spanish has been added, but English is still the main language. And that's what you can do. Obviously right now it's pretty quick. I can just select it right there and switch the entire language of my phone to Spanish because I've added it to my list. And you can even add more languages for quicker access. However, if I return back, you can see we have app languages, which is a section in and of itself because there you manage the language for individual applications installed on your phone. So not the whole Android system, like whole phone, but let's say you want to change the language of your Gmail. So you can click in here and again, pick a different language. Obviously, it's up to you to decide which one you want to do, but that's how it works. So if you don't see the current language for the app right here, make sure to come back to the languages section once again and add it to the list so it can also show up in the app settings as well. So I hope that makes sense. Let me know below in the comments if you have any additional thoughts or questions. Leave them below. Subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and I'm gonna catch you in the future videos.